Are you tired and troubled, weighed down by a heavy load, praying for change, searching for faith, waiting on a miracle? Are you drowning in questions, can't believe where the road has led? There's one who knows the heavy you hold, and he says, come to me, all who are weary and heavy burden, all who are hurting, come to me. I'll be your shelter, my yoke is easy, my load is light, and you can find rest for your soul, rest for your soul. There's a peace that can hold you, and a power greater than your own. When you feel so small, back to the wall,